Hello everyone, I'm back again. So I'm going to make a lamb. I was inspired by Afghanistan cuisine. So I wanted to make an Afghanistan dish. At first I was thinking lamb and mole, but then I thought I kind of want to get that a little bit of a stewy, hearty, flavorful lamb. So I got some lamb, and I've had this lamb for a special occasion, none rather than right now. So I thought, well, I'm gonna make a nice lamb stew, and inspired by Afghanistan recipes. So what I do, I'm gonna go ahead and add my oil. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my meats, my pieces of meat. Lamb meat, that is. So you want to sear them. Lower that. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and season it. Season it with a little bit of salt and some pepper. Okay. Season it with some salt and pepper. Those are my two favorite seasonings. So I'm trying to make a real simple dish here. And of course, this is my favorite cast iron skillet. Make sure I got splattered. And I'm not wearing an apron. Oh well. Thank God for soap and stain removers. Right? Looking good. Go ahead and heat that up a little bit more, and I want to sear it before I add my broth to it, and that's beef broth. These are my veggies that I'm going to put in there. It's onions, garlic, bell pepper, tomato, and some jalapenos, and then I have my other seasonings, which is paprika, cumin, and a little bit of tumeric. So, real simple dish and flavorful. Okay, let me put you back up here. So this lamb is going to take a little bit longer to cook. Of course I have to try one. Try a piece. Yum. So delicious. I can just eat it just like that. Yum. So yummy. Just a little. Okay, I'm going to have one more. So good. Okay. Now I'm going to add the vegetables. Stir that in. Did you see how that looks? Oh, yum. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add the pepper. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of paprika, some cumin. Oh, it smells so good, those spices, and some tumeric. And you know what? You could just flavor it up as much as you want. Oh. Yum. Okay, that's really good. Now I'm going to add my stock to it. Now I'm going to let it simmer for about a good, cover it up. So I'm going to let it simmer for a little bit, and now hopefully the next clip I'll show you what it looks like, okay? So it's a really good meal. I think you could do this with venison, you could do this with beef, but I think venison would be better. But lamb is the key. It's so good, and you just cook it until it becomes fork tender. Basically, that's what you do. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.